The education system was built to create workers. Schools teach students how to follow instructions and fit into existing systems. But the future demands something more. As robots and artificial intelligence take over routine tasks, the world will need innovators who ask bold questions, entrepreneurs who create opportunities, and leaders who solve problems that don't yet have answers. At TECspire, we believe the next generation shouldn't just prepare for the future, they should build it. We're not here to create followers. We're here to inspire creators, changemakers, and visionaries who will shape the world. That's where TECspire comes in. A group of passionate high school students and mentors came together. Our mission? To give students opportunities to learn, innovate, and lead. We believe in a powerful equation. Technology plus entrepreneurship plus creativity equals TECspire. We believe that age should never limit innovation. Every student deserves the opportunity to learn, create, and lead. Here, students build robots, code, and discuss innovative ideas and start your business at any age. Every one of us has unlimited potential, and the world around us is filled with problems waiting to be solved. Learn to see problems as opportunities. Dare to ask questions, create solutions, build businesses, and make a difference. Imagine a future where curious students become engineers, doctors, entrepreneurs, inventors, and leaders. Today's learners are tomorrow's changemakers. The ideas you nurture today can transform communities, industries, and even the world. At TECspire, we don't just prepare students for the future. We empower them to create it, lead it, and change it. Dream boldly, innovate fearlessly, lead with purpose, conquer the impossible. At TECspire, we help students discover their confidence and unlock their potential. A shy student finds the courage to stand on stage and share an idea. Friends collaborate, support one another, and grow together. They compete, volunteer, and develop the leadership and life skills needed to succeed. We encourage students to dream big, to invent something new, turn ideas into reality, and even create innovations worthy of a patent. Because every great inventor, entrepreneur, and leader started as a curious student with one idea and the confidence to pursue it. At TECspire, we're not just building skills, we're building confidence, character, and the next generation of changemakers. Join us in creating change. Stand with students and volunteers. Together, we can make a difference. Volunteer, mentor, inspire, lead. Join the TECspire team at ju.techspire.org.